Hello and welcome back to Talkative Anjali, and we are going to make today marinara sauce. So this is a common sauce which is used for pasta, and today since I'm making spaghetti and cheesy eggplant bake, this is one of the ingredients that will be necessary for me. So I have taken about 10 tomatoes. I'm going to use some pasta seasoning, and here I have about 20 peppercorns and a fresh chili and garlic mash. Then there are three onions which I'm going to use. I'm going to use olive oil and white wine. So let's start making the marinara sauce. So to begin the process of making marinara sauce, I am going to first get these tomatoes stewed. I have cut up the tomatoes and put it into a pot, and I am allowing to stew. So this will take about 15-20 minutes. The tomatoes are stewing, and I gave it a toss so that they are evenly stewed. Cover them up again. So those are the stewed tomatoes, and I'm allowing it to cool it down before I put it into the grinding jar or the blender. Meanwhile, in the blender, I'm going to put in the rest of the ingredients. So this garlic and chili paste goes in along with the peppers. Now I'm going to add the cooled stewed tomatoes to this. Back to our stewed tomatoes, we are going to put these stewed tomatoes into the blender now. I'm going to need both my hands, so I'll keep the phone away. So the tomatoes have been transferred into the blender, and the same pot I have washed it, and now I will start frying the onions in it for the marinara sauce. So about 2 tablespoons of olive oil will go in. So these are the 2 tablespoons of olive oil, but it looks less, so I'm going to add some more. I'll make it about 5-6 tablespoons. So that looks like enough oil now, and it is heated. So I'm going to add the cut onions into it now, the chopped onions. And while these onions are cooking, I will blend the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to add salt to this. So about a nice 1 teaspoon of salt. We haven't added salt to the spaghetti, so I'm going to add it to the marinara sauce. The sauce will give it enough saltiness. So let this cook on sim. Meanwhile, we are going to blend the tomatoes. So before we start blending, I will also add the white wine into it. I'm opening a new bottle of white wine, and I'm going to pour about 1/3 of the bottle into it. So there you see, I've used about 1/3 of the white wine. This is what it will look like. Now blending it. Now the onions look cooked. We are going to add the tomato paste that we have made, the blended tomatoes and the other ingredients into this. and allow it to simmer for half an hour. We've blended it to smooth. So now we will allow this to simmer nicely. For boiling onto the into the pot, and we are going to add the pasta seasoning to it. So about 1 teaspoon of pasta seasoning. That's a good amount. If you have fresh parsley or fresh basil, you can add that to this, but my basil got spoiled when I checked today, so I haven't used it. I might want to add celery to it, since I have celery here. So I will add a little bit of celery into it. Now since this is simmering, I will go ahead and make the spaghetti aglio olio. It's raining very heavily outside, there you see. That's the scene outside my balcony. And here I was trying to take a picture of the marinara sauce. So here it is, my beautiful sauce, which I have used in the bake, since I made a spaghetti aglio olio. So I have brought it out here so that, if in case my dad needs more, he can always have it. So beautiful. I will anyways take a picture of this. So hope you liked the recipe of my marinara sauce, and will try it out. Thank you for watching. Do comment and like and share and subscribe if you haven't already.